We're down here at Ratana Paa 2013. I just want to get your feeling at this stage on how this hui is affected you, if it has, whether it be spiritually, physically. We just want to let our people out there know how you feel, because you are in most eyes, a lot of our Morehu eyes, our Māori eyes, you are quite a icon.
Oh wow!
As such,
Awesome.
and for them to be able to get an understanding of what an icon thinks.
I started with the mana movement in Tamaki Makaurau, and I met the Kia Maya, the Penne family, and they were in my little meeting. You know, Hone did the meeting, and he, before the by-election, and he was looking around for different places to set up branches, and anyone from South Auckland, and I straight away put my hand up, and then we have a leader over there, and I went, whoa, yeah, okay, all right, I'll take that challenge, and then all the other South Auckland hands started going up for our first meeting, which was at McDonald's in Manukau, and the Kia Maya lot were there. And I was like freaking out. I thought, oh man, what are we going to do? And then they said, they were listening, and they were, they said, hey, look, we got our church that we can use as a headquarters and for South Auckland, and we've got a couple of buses, and then then we got in there and we did our mahi with the rest of the congregation, or whatever you call them, at Kia Maya, and got hone in, and then I got invited down here. So through the Ratana thing, they didn't preach one bit of Ratana at our headquarters, which was their church, and I appreciated that, because for me, I'm not a religious person. I'm totally not into religion, but I'm a spiritual person, and there is a big difference between organised religion and spirituality with yourself, and the universe and your creator, and anyway. So I got invited last year to come down to this Ruia. He invited me, and oh yeah. So, once again, not knowing what I'm coming down here for, just came down on my motorbike, thought it'd be a nice ride, and then, just observed last year, 2012, knowing that I'm not into religion, and so the feedback for me was, it's about spirituality, which kind of slotted in for me, and then I got the invite again this year. This time I knew a little bit more about it, and so for me, not having that pressure of, and I love the culture. I love my culture, I love my Māori culture, being Tahitian, Rarotongan, and Ngāti Whātua, Aotearoa, so I'm on both sides, from the migration, from the journey. So half of me knows my tupuna left the islands to come down to Aotearoa, and then on this side, our tupuna came from somewhere and landed in Aotearoa, and here we are, so I got the both sides of the information. So culture runs deep in me as well as spirituality. So for me, it all locks in together, and it's kind of the what's happening here at Ratana. I'm not a Ratana, but I'm here. You know what I mean? So for me, it's a positive, and just having that positive vibe keeps me coming back. The establishment keeps moving the goalposts on us every time we go for a kick, and to me that's not fair. And because they all come down here to look for the Ratana vote, to me, that's, you've got a card up your sleeve, you know, and you can use that influence to actually make some changes, and that's what I've been seeing on the Pai, and I've been invited on there, and I with Ruya and them, to sit by them and support them, because I have the same thinking as them, and I've slotted in nicely. Our tupuna, man, they had it upstairs, man. They, you know, navigators, scientists, agriculture, all of that stuff, man. They knew all about it before we got belittled and told we were useless, lay about dole bludgers, you know, and that's a load of rubbish. So for me, it's about reconnecting with all of that. You know, our spirituality, it's not the religion thing, but you know, a lot of our elders bought into the missionary thing, and now we know, well, for me, I know there was a little bit of a mistake there, and I don't want to, you know, disrespect anyone, but this is my thought, and a lot of our hardships have come along as well through all of that, and we lose the land, lose the this and that, and we just played, you know. So for me, it's about reconnecting and giving that awareness to our people that we're better than what they say we are.